Hi everybody, I'm Ryan, igus CHAINFLEX product specialist, and congratulations on purchasing your new CF case, and welcome to the unboxing demonstration. This lightweight case is designed to provide protection to your cable during transportation, a simple, convenient, and organized storage system, and easily dispense cable on a job site or directly off a rack. It'll also make reordering your cable easier than ever. CF case will arrive in a standard igus shipping box. However, this box is perfectly tailored to provide protection to CF case, which is snugly fit inside. Be careful not to damage CF case when opening the box, so make sure your blade is set to a safe length. And go ahead and slice here, here, and here. Flip the entire box over and allow CF case to slide right out. You'll benefit from the clean stackable design and the neatly contained cables wound onto the cable reel inside the box. It also features comfortable carrying handles for added convenience. And with CF case, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your cables are protected during transportation. On the inside is another custom tailored piece, a cable reel attached to flanges designed just for CF case, which allows the reel to spin smoothly and easily, dispensing your cable exactly the length that you need and ensuring there's no tangling, twisting, or other cable mishandling. Punch out the perforated part of the box here and pull your cable through. And you're done. And what to do with the loose end of cable when you're done? Simply loop it back into the star for easy access next time. And when it's time to reorder, simply scan the QR code that'll be attached to the box right next to the part number you'll be reordering. To find out how to organize your cables with CF case, click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.